Still talking about laboratory safety. In here, we'll be talking about the various classes of fire and the types of what extinguishers we can use to actually what respond to these fires. Do you understand? So fire actually has classes and the types of extinguishers you can use, all right, to be on the safe side, okay, so that you don't get consumed by what you're fighting. All right. So do I have this in writing? Yeah, I have this in writing. Right. But anytime we read a class, we go back here and use this image to summarize. Right. I still have no this is one like yeah, this one is like type of fire. Right. Type of fire is different from the class of fire. Okay. So let's talk about this briefly. The class A, we said that it involves solids like what? Paper, wood, and is common in offices and manufacturing what? Sites. Okay. So the best extinguisher for class A fires are what? Water and foam extinguishers, right? So yeah, this still speaks, right? Type of fire is still class of fire, right? Okay, yeah. You see here. So you can use water and foam, all right? But this image is not really in depth to what I need. Okay. This one will be in depth what I need. All right. So for the class A, we said that combustible materials like what? Paper and wood. We can use the water and foam extinguishers to actually what? Counter this type of fire. Then for the class B, we said that fires involving what? Liquids like what? Cleaning fluids, solvents, fuels, inks, adhesives, and paints. The best type of extinguishers to use are what? The foam and the powder extinguishers, right? The class B, flammable liquids like what? Paints, petrol, and the rest. They said the best type is what? Foam or powder. Alright, so we have foam or powder. Alright, the CO2 can be used too, but the foam and powder is basically the one that is what? Preferred. For the class C, we said that the fire involves gases like what? Natural gases, LPGs, or other type of gases that form a flammable or explosive atmosphere. Right. So the best type of extinguisher to actually put out this type of fire um, once the supply of gas is cut off is a dry powder extinguisher. Now you know you know the instructions there. Okay, the source of the gas must be put out first, right? So when it's put out, they use a powder extinguisher. So class C, we have the powder extinguisher, right? It's the best one to use, right? Basically, every other one doesn't work on this except the powder extinguisher. So for the class D now, we said that fires involving flammable metals like what? Sodium. Now, there are dry powder extinguishers developed to tackle metal fires, right? Let's see what we have here. Class D, we got flammable gases like what? Lithium, potassium, yeah, there's sodium too, all right? So the best one for this is what? Powder extinguishers, all right? So for the class F, we got fires involving what? Cooking oils or fats. Now, the only type of extinguisher approved for use on cooking oils and fat is the wet chemical extinguisher, right? So class F is the word wet chemical extinguisher. And this is basically what deep fat fires, okay, fires from all those oils, right? We have electrical fires. We say that these are not given their full, these are not given their own full class as they can fall into any of the classifications above, right? So the best fire extinguisher to use on electrical fires is the carbon dioxide extinguisher. Some you can use some dry powder extinguishers are suitable for low voltage solutions. All right. So moving to this now, electrical. We have the what? Okay, we have the is it carbon dioxide? Yeah, carbon dioxide. Right. Carbon dioxide is the most suitable for this. We have what? Dry powder extinguishers too. Okay, so these are the various classes of fires we can have in the laboratory, or yeah, basically the laboratory. Okay, because we're talking about the laboratory and a different type of what extinguishers to actually use to actually what counter these fires. Okay, so that's it, guys, and bye for now.